Hi everyone, I'm Buntri and today I'm going to show you the date when was the last refresh in Power BI services without using any API, URL or anything, just by using just an M code. So you want to learn how to do that? Stay tuned and I'll show you. So in my last video, I created a video that's showing how to get a refresh date on a powerbi.com. But look at it. This is the one that had a new query, and this one is use the existing query. So if you look at the last time it was refreshed, it was refreshed on the 20th of August at 2:48 and 58 seconds. See, but this one, look like it's refreshed at 4:48. That's 2 hours ahead. So that was the wrong one in my first video, and this is the correct one. So I'm going to show you how to do that in using M code. Okay, so let's jump back to my Power BI desktop. So this is the new query, which is this one here, and it's just basically I just create a new table. Okay. So I create that in a new query, and that doesn't seem to work. So, and this is the existing query, which is, it's got some I have some records in here already, and I'll just add a new columns. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a column to here. So let's go and do a add columns. I'm going to call this a refresh date, and the formula, the M code to get the last time refresh was it's called DateTimeZone local now. So now I've got a new column. Okay, and I've got to change this data type to a DateTimeZone. Okay, so now I've got my DateTimeZone. Close and apply. Now let's bring this into the card. Okay, let's bring this to the card. So I'm gonna bring the card here. Okay, I'm gonna bring that values in, which is the refresh date. All right, save this. Publish to the cloud. To my workspace. So I've already got an existing data set. I'm just going to replace it. Okay, success. Go back to my API. Now I'm just going to go back to here, my workspace, go back in. This is the one I just published. Okay, now let's say, so when you first time publish, everything looks correct, right? But when you start refreshing on the cloud, so everything looks good. So if I start refreshing it, so it's refreshing, it's getting data into okay, to my data source. Now it's 256 and 56. Now if I refresh this now, 256 to 54. That's the time there was last refresh. But look at the one that using a new query. See, it's got 4:46. It's 2 hours ahead. That's not right. So you can see now, that's how you do it. You have to add this M code in the existing query, and that will give you the last refresh time, or the last refresh date. All right. So yeah, Is this something that you want to learn in Power BI? Or do you have a better way creating a refreshed date in a powerbi.com? If you do, comment that below. I'd like to hear from you. And if you really enjoyed that video, don't forget to smash that like button. And you want to learn more? Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.